For frogs, spring break is all about one thing. Eggs are getting laid. Each female produces thousands of spawn. In just a few days, one cell becomes 100,000. A week or so later, she's a tiny tadpole, AKA a sitting snack trapped in a Jell-O jail. Now, to find some friends. 'Cause hiding in the crowd is a tiny tadpole's best hope. The tadpole's transformation is accelerating. First, some lungs. Now, a couple of limbs. Back, then the front. Finally, ditch that tail. And what do you know? Our little pond princess has turned into a beautiful frog. Now to get away from the pond predators. Time to bounce. That's quite the climb when you've only just found your feet. But spring-loaded legs give her more air than Michael Jordan. Well, comparatively speaking. A stone-built home with a pool just outside and not a duck in sight.